Never know she would have a goal. She even made my heart. I love her so much and I can't explain. All loneliness is simply dead. It's also the pain of the night and I sleep again and again and again. Okay, and you know, bother with me today now. Try not bother with me today at all, at all, at all. Japan may have fired its yen Busaka twice, but the market are testing Tokyo's. Tokyo's what? Tokyo and Resolve here. Work on nobody else so on ramp with me. Don't bother with me today. Me I tell you the truth. Don't bother with me today. You sit down yourself for morning. If I go up on the road this morning, you sit down at the same place. I'm go out the road for spend a couple hours and come back and you still sit down at the same place. Nonsense. Morning. So I'm going to John shop yes or no? You should love me, come love me when that is true. Don't get accomplished. So you're gonna deal today, me now close up the trade. So you have to go find your body back up the sun. Yeah, I tell you. Right. So guys, for those who have a 100K account, because somebody there asked me what trades you can take with a 100K account. You have two options. If I pull up Alpha account, why am I come like a robot to backside? No, sir. I come in like a robot run here, so I say, Elon must need to make some clone with me. You understand? So I can have one of the clone if you keep repeating with me, I say every morning. If you're on a 100K account, whether you're on the advanced account, right, or you're on the premium plan. Let's start with the premium plan since this is fairly new, right? If you have $3,000 for your max drawdown, you're only risking $1,000. Or if you want to risk the 5, you can work with the 500. Risk 500 on the premium 100K account. All right? In this case, only stick to, if you want to stick to the smaller pairs, everybody should know the smaller pairs by now. MNQ and MES. Right? If you're on a 100K account, because now you don't have a lot of years of work with. Yes, and you only have 3,000. So if you want to risk $1,000, you can. If you want to risk 500, you can. All right? Nice, nice, nice. If you're on 150K premium plan, you have 4,500 to risk. Yes, and max drawdown. In this case, you can risk 1,000. Right? In this case, you can risk 1,000, right? I leave 3,500, which means that if you're trading NQ on the bigger account, you're only putting on one pair, not 220 and 10. One pair, which is either NQ or ES. So if you're on the 150K account on the premium, you're risking 1K. If you're on the 100K, you can either risk you can either risk 1,000 or 500 is up to you. If you're on the Alpha Advance, right, 100K, you can either risk 1,000 or 500. Yeah, son? Nice. If you have, we saw about the buffer, right? On the 150K, on the advanced plan, you guys have 5,250 to work with. In your max drawdown, you can risk $1,000 on this, which means that you only have 4,250 to, yes, and left to play with. That means, say, if you're in a trade and the market pull back, right? And you reach to $1,000, you close out. If you're on the raw account by itself, that means you have got enough for them money. All right? If you have buffer to play with, guys, listen with understanding, guys. If you have buffer to play with, if you have buffer on the advance account, right, and you up one extra 10,000, because you need 12,000 to pass this account. If you're up an extra 10 or 11,000, let's take it to 11,000. You're up an extra 11,000, right? You're still risking 1,000 out of the 11,000. So you're not risking all of the money where you make and go back down to square zero, people. Listen, man. Me I teach you how me grow my account them. Me not just make it back and me just make up the buffer them and give back to the market. No, come in have time for that. When you're on the bigger accounts, that's what I'm telling you, if you can't afford the bigger accounts, get them. Right? So on the 150K advance account run Alpha Futures, if you have just a normal money where you just buy the account fresh out of the cash show, you're only risking you might chat foolishness, $1,000. For the 100K advance, you can either risk 500 or 1,000. And the premium, you're only risking either 500 or 1,000 upon the 100K. And the 150K, you can risk 1,000. Only if the market pull down. If you not hear me say, okay, guys, right? Stay in, right? And you reach the 1,000, close out. We can always wait for your next setup. Do not follow me, guys, because I have a big account. Yes, son? Me have no anxiety, me have no emotion when me trade around here. So right now, me heartless when me depend on my chart here. Right? I do have enough buffer in my live account. Can we tell them pull back here? That's why I use them big contract here. Because now me have bigger buffer for work with them. If you have big buffers to work with, you can work with them. So even if the market pull back, you understand? Even if the market does pull back, you don't feel shaken up. Hallelujah. You understand? You can risk a little bit of, you understand, pull back here and there. Me not close this out until it's push back up. Because I know say it push back up at some point. When you not trade, you have to know if you take out emotions out in the market. If you have buffer to work with the buffer. Yes, son, if the market pull back, yes, son, even if you pull back a little bit more than the 1,000, you have way more buffer to work with the buffer. As long as you're not swindle it in the market back again. So if you're on a live account and you're up 150,000, you can more than wait for the pullback for your man until when it start push up in the profit. You're up one extra 10,000, one extra 13,000, one extra 12,000 for your live account. You have enough buffer to play with just in case the market pull back, to push back up, guys. And the evaluation phase, if you're already up one extra 13,000, yes, and one extra 11,000, one extra 10,000, you have a little bit of buffer, can wait for the pullback happen until they push back up. Some are on too jumpy sometime. If me not say close out, do not close out. Because if you have enough buffer in there, you're not close out. Because you have enough buffer to play with. If you never have no buffer now, then you close out. What we mean by enough buffer? If you're in and you just get the account, then yes, you have to close out if you go 1,000 or the 500. Yeah, son? But if you have one extra 5,000 buffer, one extra 4,000 buffer, that's what I tell you guys, check on the back end. Because when you have the buffer in on the market reset from yesterday, from last night, look and see what is your balance. Your new balance is updated every time you make money or every time you lose money. So log into your back office, into your back end, and see how much balance you have to play with. Because if you have an extra $4,000 as buffer, differently from for them drawdown, if you have an extra $4,000, tapping eyes with the music, yes, no man. Right. If you have an extra $4,000 for your buffer, guys, and the market reset with that 4,000, when you go back in and check, that's why I tell you, say, check this thing every day. When you go back in and check, your balance, your new drawdown max loss is now going to move from 96,000 up to 101,000. 101,000. You might chat foolishness. You know what I mean? Or 102 or 103. Then I can put it so close. But yes, and 101. Then the more you make on it again throughout the day, the more you build up on it when the market reset again to later on, it will keep moving up from 101, yes, and to probably 103. So let's say you make one extra 8 grand on it, then that 8 grand is something pass. Yeah, if you make the extra 4 on it, then you pass the account. The same thing with all of the accounts them. Whatever amount that you make on top, the balance, the max drawdown is going to move up when the market reset. Yes, son, bear in mind as well, you cannot make pan the alpha premium and pan the advance, you cannot make all of the money in a one day. They're going to tell you to trade and make much thousand on top of it because you go over the one day pan the balance. So, if you're on the 150K advance plan, you can only make half of the 12,000 today, right? And half of the 12,000 tomorrow. On the 100K account, you can only make half today, half tomorrow. Same thing with the rest of them. Right. Who else is still in our trade, guys? If you're not in, you can enter the trade for the buy. NQ or MNQ for the buy. If the NQ is too fast for you on the bigger accounts, tone it down. Tone down your body so. Like when I use bleaching cream. Tone it down to the MNQ. Right? If it's too fast for you, tone it down. If you can manage it, you can trade it. Everybody with me so far? Or anybody want me go over back anything? Hi, Andre. Andrea. Maybe I call you my name. Andrea. Hi, Andrea. So let me know if everybody understand me, guys. When you have the buffer, you don't have to flinch for come out of the market so quick. It's only those persons who are on a small account. Yes, I'm supposed to say, okay, me reach $1,000, but me not have enough buffer, me I close out. For those who have extra buffer, you understand, as in one extra 5,000, one extra 6, one extra 4. You understand? You guys can tug it out and wait until the market push back up. Yes, and that's the whole reason of me doing a live session. If we say, all right, guys, me can say this market I could push down some more. Then me can say, all right, then we could close out. That's the whole point of you guys getting the strategy. If you not get the break and close below the trend line, you're not coming out of the trade. You could have a little bit of pullback here and there. That's why I say, if you're not too frightened, do the MNQ and do not trade the NQ. You kick me out. What kick you out, Novia? If it kick you out, you need to log into your Alpha Futures and see what happened around here. Log into your Alpha Futures and see if your account is blowing or not. Have you reached your new balance drawdown? Max drawdown, like what I was talking about. How much did you have in your account? Right. Here we do. So moving forward, those persons who are on a 100K account, stick to MNQ stick to MNQ and MES. For those persons who are on a 150K account, you guys have the option. You can either do NQ and ES or NQ on its own or ES, right? But not both of them the same time, right? Or you can stick to MNQ and MES. Until everybody overall have extra money in an account, do not take NQ and the 100K account. Because I think that cause the problem and I blow the whole account over here, so. I can't really see much on here. Hold on. Right. So, in progress, results are you're up 4,638 in progress. All right. You haven't lost anything. So try logging back Novia. So all right, so you see, I want everybody to click on Novia picture that she just dropped in, for example, right? Her new maximum loss is 100K. Remember when I was saying this? Her new maximum loss is 100K, which means that if she lose the whole 4,638 and it go down back to 100,000, this account is gone. So all she have to do is maintain this by either making up the rest of the money and pass the account and boom, she dip on the live account. Everybody understand what I say? So when the market reset with you have money in there, your maximum loss limit has now risen. Like how Jesus had risen out of Jerusalem, out of the tomb of Jerusalem over Egypt. So her aim right now is not to lose this 4,638. She can only lose probably $1,000 out of it if make it up back with more. You understand? But she cannot lose all of that money. Because if she lose all of that money now, she blow the account. So that's why I say check these things daily. Hallelujah. So moving forward, we're only going to be trading one pair. One normal pair. Right. Or two pair. If one set up, then yes, and that's it. We work with that one day. If the next one is set up, everybody work with the same pair. You understand? If you have extra, you can work with you understand? You can work with NQ. You put on one NQ and I do that done for the day. You understand? You put on MNQ and I you that done for the day. Whatever you make, that's you done for the day, guys. We're not even sitting around and trade all day like we're idiot. No. Once we make certain amount of money, we come out to the market and we that. Right. Everybody in the trade, if you're not in NQ or MNQ for the buy, you're supposed to know what you can manage, guys. Me not call out no other trade, no other pair. One something we are stick to, like the white people them. Right. Because everybody see how NQ move. You put on one good position, and by the time you quint, you make 1, 2, 3,000, 1,700, 5,000, and you're done for the day. You have to start practice yourself for now, guys. NQ alone, me trade now. Me not even trade the gold run, so run a futures. Me trade gold for other things. One number something me trade, guys. One alone. Me master it to the point where me say, all right then. When I have extra, I can up on my contract size. Right. You're in the trade, Novia. Everybody else in the trade, guys. Either NQ or the BAB. NQ or MNQ. That's it. Little bit of patience and we're good to go, guys. If me say secure profit or not secure profit, if me say close out because it pull back too much, you close out. You're listening to my voice, guys. until you guys master how to use the strategy, I'm gonna drop I did put the school link in the, let me see, me put it up here. So I did put the school link in the chat for everybody to register. For everybody to register, so you guys can watch the training in your own time. So yourself, for those who are, well, everybody's supposed to set up their futures already. So this is a group, guys. So you have how to set up your futures, the key impossible strategy, micro versus mini contract size. It tells you, understand what is micro, what is mini. All right, you have live replays right there, futures funding account, how to set up your Rise account. As everybody set up their Rise account, if not, I will go over it in a little bit. Right, what are futures, prop firm, etc. So the rest of it of stocks. I think that this part of it is locked. So once everybody is in, then I'll open it back up to a paid group. Right, so once the guys come into, right, once the guys come on here, this is going to give you the live training, right, on how to use a strategy. If you have to watch it 126,000 times for the day, you watch it until you understand it, guys. You can't just watch it one time and say you don't understand. And also this work. You have to watch it again and again and again and again and again and again. Again and again. What move out of this one song was say again and again. Yes. Right? There's enough training around here. Right? 1, 2, 3. I may have some other ones to put on there as well. Watch them over and 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 over until you get it. The minute you get it, it has a, oh my God. No, me understand how it work. Yes, son. So this training is for the key impossible strategy. You can also watch some of the live replays right here. I'm gonna add some of them. I'm gonna add the ones that when we go live on YouTube. Right? So you can watch those in your own time. For those who are over the Vix side, because a two separate group, me having that guys, two separate group. For those who are over the Vix side now, you come around here, so the live recording, and all of these live calls, and all of them use the strategy, you know. Not all of them did use the strategy around here. So some of them did, yes, sorry, on and off. Now some could I use them here as thing there as chart markup courses I sell them. Yeah. And I'm sure you know. Because all of these are the chart markup, right? So and how I mark up the naked chart. Right. So that's for next time. Kim Possible strategy. Come down right here, so see it here. So this out for those who are on the Vix side, right? But also the videos, the live them when I do on my YouTube, I can lock them so them only be for people that's on the inside. Right? I'm gonna lock as in lock it and only give the link access to persons who are already in and paid. Yes, son? Yes. Everybody still in? We're not coming out until when we say to come out, guys. I'm on the lower time frame. When we see the new box, the new red box pop up, that's when we are going to secure local profit and run to Jesus. For the time being, go and hold it. All right, let me see what I'm going here. So in a John shop. All right. Right, guys. How much are you guys up in a profit? All right, let's see what I'm going. So we have 19 seconds left on this scanner, guys. 19 seconds. Let me see what I'm going. What should this phone I do answer the nonsense or so? All right, hi Mari. Right, we're still all in, guys. We're still all in. Right, we have a new candle out. You can get into NQ or MNQ, Mari. The 100K account. So on the 100K account on the premium plan, your max payout on this one is 6K. right? For 159. I mean, this price is cheaper than for the next now, but for the next, the 2-for-1 special what them have, you don't get the funded account until when you pass the first funded account. Right, guys? Secure the profit, guys. For those who've been in from the entry. The live account, the second account that they give you, right? They don't give it to you until when you pass the first account. You understand? And that price run us off the 100K account for what, 2 something. So might as well you get this one for 159 on the alpha plan. The premium plan, your alpha plan. The premium plan. So 159, your profit target is 6,000. Can pass in 2 days or more. Your max drawdown is 3K. So with this, you know, so you're not trading no NQ on it right now. You only have to trade NQ when you have extra buffer on it. So you only either stick to MNQ or MES, right? For everybody that's on a 100K account, right? For those persons who are on a 150K account, yes, you can trade the NQ on there. NQ alone. Not NQ or ES. Because right now, ES are go the opposite direction of whatever is going on around there. So, yeah, so I take it off of my chart. Because I not trade it. But you know, some people trade it, that's why I leave it on there. You understand? Right. Get ready for re-enter back, guys. Get ready for right. Get to nobody ready. NQ or MNQ for the buy, guys. NQ or MNQ for the buy. ES not going with nothing right now. Nothing. To me, it's slow. I don't know if to anybody else. I don't know, it just like a days ago lazy. Yeah, it's a lack of days ago lazy run. So watch out. Be not stuck along with it. Damn, if it's long as I wait on this or something, if it's set up, I'm not trade. Sure. Right. Everybody in NQ, guys. Everybody in. Right. So we're pushing up, guys. We get a nice break and close right here for the 5 minutes. Right. We're still a little bit above the box on the 15 minutes. We don't get a strong break and close yet, but it's pushing up very, very strong. We have 3 minutes left on this candle, guys. 3 minutes. All right. Yeah, you can get the 100K on Alpha Futures. So you know, say on a 100K account, you need to make, you aim to make anything from, you understand, from 1,000 to 3,000 in a 1 day, and then the next day, you understand how you can break it down. One day you make 1,000. Because the MNQ fast too. You understand me? I tried the MNQ one time, I said, Jesus, but this fast, man. See MNQ here? I not trade it, but yes, I'm gonna call it up for you guys. So I have it on the chart, see me. And if you use a one contract, you can test out the one contract in the waters. I see. You understand if I something you want. You understand trade. If you want up at the contract size a little bit, you might can go 1, 2. You understand? Why this not press? This a different something here press pan? Why the price all the way down so? Oh, me didn't sound trade down so. Jesus Christ, go look here. Right, so see it here upon the one contract, and it'll move fast now. It'll move fast. Yes, they move fast, people. So let me see it on 2 contract. Cause that me say me no trade. I mean, I've never, yes, son, me not really use it like that. But it fast, man. So, cause whatever you make on the higher ones, on the normal ones, the normal pair, the normal NQ, you make half of what you make on that one. So if you make 1,000 on that one, you aim to make 500 to 1,000 on this one. You understand? If you make 2,000, you can make 1,000 on this. If the market keep pushing up the whole day, you can stay in there the whole day, guys. You understand? Because it's not so aggressive as NQ. It's your sister. Yes, it's not so aggressive as the NQ. Yeah, so bear in mind, I use a bigger contract size, but look here. Yeah, son. I'm on a bigger contract, and if you don't mind sharp, and it's a market and I'm going in your favor, everything swindle out of your account, you know. You understand? So just be mindful, guys. So that's why I'm saying moving forward, for those who are on the 100K account, do not start trading NQ1 there until the start of buffer in your account. What I mean by buffer, if you have an extra 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, you can drop it in the group as well. So no NQ until you have extra money in your extra money on your 100K account. Only stick to NQ or ES. Sorry, what am I talking about? Only stick to MES or MNQ. Maybe that's a chat foolishness. Right? Nice. We get our new break and close, guys. All right. Everybody's supposed to still be in. All right. On for the 150K account, because you guys have more drawdown for work with, you can work with NQ or ES. I'm not call out no other peers on here. No MGC, no MCL, nothing more. Yes, son? We are stick to one peer. One peer. Master one peer, one peer. Right. Mr. Wagalang na John shop run on the forex side now. One peer alone, guys. One peer alone. All right. So goal is set up for those who trade. For those who trade forex. All right, we'll get a break and close right here. So I'm up at the 50 minutes. All right, that not ready yet. Hey, you was 30 up, sell off like nobody's business around here. So, oh yeah, they're gone, but the business there. Gone like a Sammy mouth. No, darling. Gone. Right, so goal is set up for those who trade forex. Get ready for goal. Right, I'm going to go down Emmanuel Road on a Vix side. This not ready. This already. All right. So 75 1S already, guys. All right. 10 1S. Bear consolidation. VIX 10. Not ready yet. 25 1S. Not ready yet. 51S. Not ready. 101S. Not ready. Not ready, runner, so be a foolishness. So I didn't stop last night. Be a nonsense to go along with. I reached one double bottom and must set up right. So 51 is to go along with last night. That did eat stop last night too. Me I tell you say Vix a be a nonsense I'm going with for the other day. Beer foolishness. I'm telling you. Absolutely rubbish. Not really go and run a sign, guys. Anybody where you trade Vix, me tell you say go buy one of them account here. You understand? Buy a futures account because sooner or later Vix go dry up. Well, not dry up, dropping intentionally, but you understand? Not really going around here. Like the market been crappy for the last couple weeks. When I say crap, I mean crappy. So if I don't have something else, why not trade on the side? I don't know how to make no money. Might as well not go back at work. Or come trade futures on the side. Because trading now going, Vix now going with nothing right now. That's how it go. You can have some time when it's drought. You can have some time, yes, and when rain now overflow the place. You understand? It's either forex or futures. Choose one. Link in my bio. All right. For those who want trade futures, the link is in my bio for the BOGO, and you can still come in and and get the 2-for-1 special up there. So for those who are on the outside, because you can't sit down and wait, they're going to sit down and wait on the Vix peers them. For those who are overseas, you guys can either use Alpha or you can use Funding Next. The already piss me off. You can put your money in a Vix right now. A 1 and 2 look pair might get away. I'll push up in a profit. 1 and 2. Yes, and no matter the strategy where you have, the market still now go, yes, and market no respect strategy, you know. Yes, and especially with volatility peers. Yes, and you might get a good, just with anything, you might get your perfect setup. And guess what? News, one boom, and gone. That don't mean say the strategy don't work. The strategy just need not expect news. Sudden news, I should say. Yes, son? Yeah. So no matter how you know if you mark up a chart or you have a strategy, right? When news to come out, news to come out. You can't stop that. You can't say, oh, this doesn't work. Let me go and find another strategy. That's why someone now make no money because they're all over the place. In a this a group, you're not that a group there, this a group, you're not that a group there. One of them from Dick, Tama, Harry, Suzette, Pamela, and Pam. Yeah, son? Yeah. Right, guys. Everybody's supposed to be in a profit and NQ or MNQ. We're working, we're working, we're working. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. So, yes, now gonna nothing run here. Nah, go on nothing run here, so. I tell you. Yeah, sometimes you have to learn to adapt to new markets, guys. When you see it, so, what come on S&P 500 again? Let me see something. CNBC, Market Watch. Hmm. Right. Market movers. So, top gainers on the S&P 500, Datadog, Datadog, Fortnite, right, top decliners. Ooh, Zointex. First me, what if somebody play? Ralph Lauren now going to wonderful. Jabal, Coronet, Akamaya, Baker U, APA. That's why S&P 500 now move. Cause them have some top decliners for them on them right now. You saw a go with Nasdaq. Nasdaq a going good, man. Ooh, and Nvidia push it. Nvidia is pushing it. Right, right, right. All right, all right. The top one is the. I need to go look at one name, Datadog, my dear. Come here. Datadog is stocks is at $186. Oh, watch your 52-week range. Live stream, this, that. You're up 29%. So Datadog in provides that and security platform for cloud applications. The company SA SaaS platform integrates and automates infrastructure monitoring, application performing monitoring, log management, user experience monitoring, cloud security, and many other capabilities to provide unified real-time. Oh, you gotta be killing me right here. Mm-hmm. One technology company me there with them there in New York. So that's why it does Nasdaq a push up like this. Nice, nice, nice. In the mighty name of Jesus. Hallelujah. I forgot buy them stock over the stock market. Cause them a go and good. Them do returns too. For the past 5 days, 40%. But it's not bad. What's it not saying to me? Top peers. Them they are top here, so Google. They are some Microsoft, they are some Meta, they say, what you're not saying to me, so Q1, Q2, Q3. Yes, darling. Them are going good, man. So when I'm saying so 16 hours ago, S&P is fresh record as oil continues to pull back and hope US-Iran deal is closed. 16 hours ago, why Boeing and Honeywell are rallying? Boeing airline, jobs and earning will dominate the first full week of May. Of May, you know, yeah. Then the tree bad. Right, guys. Everybody still in or anybody? Remember, guys, if you do secure profit, do let me know so you can re-enter because the market are pushed same way. This is not tree bad at all. Not no bad at all, at all, at all. All right. So for those persons who are little bit more inclined with what's happening in the market, you can come and check around here so as well, guys. CNBC. You can come around here so and check for them news as well. Them normally, you know, so and tell you what's going on with some of the investors, them, and these are more like deep in depth if you want. You understand? If you just now care about running, so you understand? Yeah. You can just leave it there. All right. Anybody secure profit? Me secure my little profit right at our run, me there. Take a look profit I run. Right. So we are waiting for a new break and close above this red box right here. And then we can re-enter back this for the buy. Right. We'll go and watch it for the time being. Right. So everybody's supposed to be out. Right. So these are all of the companies underneath the NASDAQ 100, guys. Welcome to the first 100 companies in the world. Well, in the United States and anywhere in the world, nothing. Right? So you have Plantier underneath this, you have, but Airbnb stock are going good, man. Them up little bit in the green. Nice, nice, nice. DoorDash are going too. Hey, but me have got invest in a DoorDash. Apavalan, Apalavan, can't even call them name good. Energy Corp, Warner Brothers, these are all the companies underneath. NASDAQ 100, guys. Warner Brothers, GE, General, something, in Energy Car, something of the sort, Healthcare, Arm Holdings, Sandix, so what, if it's long as I call out the whole of the name then today, and I never done. 100 of them. Yes, I say you have the top 100 companies in the United States of America. Yes, and then you have the Dow 30. Well, I'm going to read the trade Dow 30 pan futures, me there too slow for my liking, so I'm not bother with it. These are the top 30 companies in the United States of America. So when we trade this stock on its own, we are trade 30 companies altogether. Yes, and when we trade the NASDAQ, we are trade 100 companies all at once. So rather than we could trade Airbnb on its own, yes, and I could buy Home Depot on its own and buy this over, yes, and that. That's why I tell you guys, say, open a stockbroker and buy these round there. Yeah, son. So you don't have to buy them, buy the 30 of them separate. You're buying all of them at once. You understand? And then same thing with the NASDAQ. You don't have to buy the whole 100 because no money for that. You buy one stock with the whole 100 of them in there. You understand? Like, you see a kangaroo. Nice. You understand? Yes, yes, that's how it go. All right. So, Ron, here, so you have the stock now. Walmart has been on fire this year. How high earners are driving the stock higher. See, me telling about stocks. All right. I mean, have Walmart run here, so we can look on it. Yeah. Shake Shack. Remember your brother one there before me there. Whirlpool says Iran war causing recession level industry decline. Deb knows Zool, Ray McDonald's, and trending right now. Whirlpool, that we said that already. All right. McDonald's CEO say consumer spending could be getting a little bit worse. This win-win edge trade is getting popular with traders. Oh. You want to do stocks? When we finish, I go look on some stocks pairs as well. When we finish running here, so. So if you're on the inside already, If you're on the inside already, all you have to do is just pay the difference. But people on the outside pay the full price. So with the stocks class, can we have a separate stocks class? So you have the option to either do long-term investment, which is really good, or you can do day trading. So day trading is when you enter the market, like now, like when the market just open, you enter the trades them now, and you can exit before the market close off. I believe it's 4:20 Eastern Standard Time. The market close off over there. If I'm not mistaken, but we can double check, because sometimes the time difference is half an hour. Yeah. So yes. So the stocks now, I will tell you what stock to buy or what to sell. So just like how you see this, you work for the strategy. The strategy works on the futures and the rest of the pairs it works on there just the same. So I tell you when to buy the stock or when to sell the stock, and you do get the alerts with it as well. Right, so this is not ready yet, guys. So I'll circle this and come back. So, say for example, like right here we have Apple. Right? Apple now, come on here, so we're going for the day. We do have volume in on the day. We have a nice candle pushing up, right? A nice green volume candle right here, and we do get a break and close above the red box. So you drop to your lower time frame for your 5 minutes, and this been buy from Wappy Fill Up. I've been in these pairs from Wappy Fill Up. I don't come out of them none at all. None at all, because they're in a bull run, right? Now this case, now you drop to your 5 minutes or your 1 minute time frame, you wait on it for set up, and boom, that's you in the upper trade. So you can either leave this long term and make it go and run, or you can do it as a day trade. So in this case, it's not ready yet. So once it's ready, then I will know right there. Next on the list, Lilly. I've been trading Lilly for Wappy Fill Up. Lilly is a pharmaceutical company in the States, right? Right here, so up on the day, we have volume in on the day, drop down to your 1 minute time frame. Yeah, son. All you have to do is wait for this to set up. At this present moment, it's not ready yet. So we're going to wait upon that. You have Meta. Yeah, son. Meta been pushing up for a while. I need a break and close above here before we can get in for the buy. You have Microsoft. Break and close above here. These lines where you see me put here, so are lines where me predict so them are break and close above. Yeah, son. If you do the continuation and so on and so forth. We circle that later on. All right, guys. So we're going to John shop as now. All right, still not ready yet. All right, nice. We check back on the Vix Futures, so we're going to John shop. That not ready yet. That not ready yet. That not ready yet. This almost ready. 110, Vix 10. This almost ready. Right, get ready for 25 1S, guys. Get ready for 25 1S. We need a nice break and close. There's no volume there, though. This we need a break and close above this, so yeah, this not ready yet either. Let us have Vix pair them slow. I tell them. Right, Microsoft is getting ready. Let's see what I'm going for the day. Yep, little bit of volume are coming in, so we can get in for the buy when this ready. We need a nice break and close above here. Right, Netflix been declining. Netflix the past sale right now in a Netflix the past sale. Right, so upon this now, even though we have sellers in on the day candle, we do have some buyers in on the little bit of buyers are in on the day candle, but sellers are in on the volume. Right, but we can sell, you understand? Wait for a nice setup on here, and then we can get into Netflix for the buy. If we get the break and close above the area, Nvidia, you know that Nvidia is in the Nasdaq. So Nvidia in a Nasdaq, Microsoft in a Nasdaq, every technology company, Meta in a Nasdaq. You understand? Tesla would be in Nasdaq as well. Google is in a Nasdaq. Amazon is in US 30. Nice. Right. So Nvidia been doing nice from the other day. Remember, this did go all the way up to $800. You understand? This is a good opportunity for you to jump in. You understand? So this now, we wait for a break and close above that, and Nvidia. The AI company they saw. All right, nice, nice, nice. QQQ is a good one to trade. It's almost ready as well. Once we get a nice break and close, that's all that we can get in. Then you have Tesla. All right, beautiful break and close as I did predict right here from a couple days ago. Good, we need a break and close back above the red box. Google, consolidating, we need a break and close right above the red box right here. And Amazon, doing nonsense. We need a break and close above this area. So if they're not ready, so if they're not ready on the lower time frame, then all you have to do is just and sit out and wait down here. So right, we do have volume in on the higher time frame. So yes. So those are the top ones that I look for. And then you can trade NASDAQ, US 30, S&P 500, run on the stock market as well. Yes, and you can buy and hold those long term. So since I found out about stocks from 2022, I've been in NASDAQ, US 30, and S&P 500 from them long time there. I did have them on trading 212, but I realized that trading 212 is kind of a little bit slower for those who are in the UK. So I'm not with them again. I just definitely run this out. And then I start over fresh. You understand? And the companies that when I open in the States. So from the States I have Think or Swim and Charles Schwab, the two of them come as one. And then I have E-Trade on the outside. And then I have Webull. I think I did drop the link in the chat the other day for the stocks, I never see it. I did drop it in there, people. I did drop it in there. When you're not looking, when you're not looking, me telling yourself to create it. You no matter if you don't want to do stocks or not. Yeah, son, you can put your money one place. Take out the bloody money out of the account them and put them in the stocks. You understand? Because them over there trade for no money and not trade it. You understand? You can put on $100 per US 30, $100 per S&P 500. You understand? Or $100 over this or $100 over here so. You understand? Because if you not do it, guess what? The bank them are trading no money. You understand? So you can't stay there. I was like, oh, trading is a scam. My dear. All right, I just approve a few persons out of the group, guys. All right, here now. Oh, trading doesn't work. Trading doesn't work. It's like, oh, we in a one bull run right now. Now the best time for those stocks. Yep, now the best time for those stocks. You understand? Stocks is not popular in Jamaica because Jamaica back a bush. You understand? Because we bull no work out there. You understand? But for the people that have people overseas, they're not getting someone phone family bad breed, so they're not good with it. My dear, true. That's just the truth. I'm more than talk ground. Some of no family bad breed. So if you not ask them for, oh, auntie, can you do this for me? No, me not put up my SSN for nobody. Yes, me not want to pay no tax to nobody. And that's why poverty remains in the world. Can analyze me I tell. Right, guys, me just drop the school link in the chat. I'm gonna re-drop back the Webull link in the chat. So just click on the school link and just register, and then I will approve you guys in the group. If you're not in the stocks or the futures group. You understand? For me, 2022, me pay money I could watch Earn Your Leisure. They had a show going on. And then come at England for I think it was for the first time, They say, this now miss me. Can't remember if I did 100 and add a pound or so. It's not ready yet. I don't remember if I did 100 and add pound, me pay for the tickets. Because they're expensive, I'm not telling a lie. But the knowledge where you come out with, you see, black people don't like pay for things. That's why no mind always in a poverty mind. You understand? That's why black people mind is always in the gutter. Everything is scam to them and everything is this and everything is that. But now work for somebody and a scam. You have to sit down and wait 30 odd days and 20 odd days and a scam that. That makes sense? So when me hear say them come to England now, me say, oh, me not travel go no way. Because I want to go at that the show there. Them always I keep them in the state all about the place. If you don't follow Earn Elijah, I'm gonna drop them Instagram page in the group. Them always I keep the Earn Elijah events in the state of Atlanta and in place. When you go there, man, you have to make sure you go with one book. Now, what I go there with say you can write notes in a phone. Go there with pen and paper. Because the education where you get there, them are combine everything. You have different speakers. You understand? You have speakers that talk about real estate. That's so come go and hear them say, if you buy one land, right, 10 years ago or whenever years ago, you understand? The amount of money where it costs now comparing to then, you make way more money when you buy and put on the land. Just not build nothing money. Just buy it and left it and resell it back. I say, eh? I said, oh, okay. My sister, one young girl from Africa, then they get by the panel over there. She said when she ready, she just go out and buy the land in Africa and go resell them back for much million. So you can't stand there. I so come, me learn about certain things. And for me sign up, for me get in tune with the stocks them, I say, eh? The money when me I use could do party and foolishness. Me put it in our stocks and crypto long term. But then, I say, all right then. The one broker when they recommend at the time was E-Trade. But you can't open E-Trade if they're England. I say, I must find somebody for use. I say, all right, boom. I meet somebody. I say, all right then. Do you know I want to do stocks, but I don't have access to this account in the UK. Right. Thank you for the buy, guys. You say, I say, all right then. He was a Jamaican. You say, I say, yes. I want to open an account with E-Trade. God, I hit most of the top between E-Trade and Webull, I hit most of the big traders them use America. I say, boom, him give me details him SSN card. SSN and anybody I talk up the SSN and give nobody know. And that me realize SSN coming like NI England. If nobody not supposed to know them number there. Yeah, son, I told me have good heart. Yeah, me wicked me not go use him SSN do foolishness, but me not have time for that. Me not even remember it because I input it in. And I suck come now. Yeah, son, just put my name. Just put Kim. And I succumb. Me say, oh, I've got E-Trade, hallelujah. I'm over there for the how much ones couldn't come back on my yard. I succumb, me know see them come with a card. Me say, Jesus, me have the card over here somewhere. So every time me get me interest on the stocks them, me put them on the card and just, yes, and sometimes me reinvest back some of the stocks them. Yes, and when we get the dividend off of them, we reinvest them back into the stock itself. Because me there, me don't want, yes, and me don't want to use the card or nothing. Me just reinvest them back into the market. Yes, and if you can't get something, you find somebody where you can use, forget it. You understand? Nice. So I suck up now. I say, all right, boom. I say, yes. Me buy the whole of the top stocks them. And I suck up, me say, all right, my strategy work with stocks, right? So we can use it with stocks. And I suck up, me set up the alerts with it. Right? Me need to add some more stocks on there because I think me need to add Tesla and Google and Amazon in the stocks alerts in the Discord. So we can look out for that as well. So I tell you when to buy the stock, only buys we are look for because they're in a bull run at the moment. Me never sell none of the stocks them. Because I not day trade them. I buy and hold. So I not look for getting today and come out today. I look for buy today and hold long term. So buy it until the end of the year, until the end of whenever. When we get the pullback now, when we come on here and do the sessions, and we look at the pullback now, then we can enter new entries. Yes, and if we enter way down there, so we can enter second position, third position, and them and so on and so forth. And plus, around here now, them use contracts as well. Yes, and yes, they use contracts around here, just like futures. Just like futures. So I say, all right then, boom. I say me pay for learn. Some don't want to pay for learn. Yes, and on the cheap. Not only on Zoom, I got me on TikTok live, guys. I don't want to pay. I don't want either sit up here, yes, and take free trades or whatever the case may be. We don't want to pay the money. And when we talk now, we say we rude. Oh, I can't go on YouTube. Go on. Yeah, son, go on per YouTube. Because if YouTube can't give you no one want no go on. Yeah, man, I saw me stay. Yeah, son, I don't want to pay for things. I don't want to sit down and get free things. Yeah, son, I don't care go to school for free. Well, not Jamaica. And some part of America. Yeah, son. Can you then Kerry, me just explain, you know? Me just explain. You know, listen. Are you there work? Me just explain. Yeah, I've got to check me back tomorrow with that goodie. It may just explain how the stocks works. For those who are on the inside, for those who are on the inside, and you guys get it for half price. For those who are on the outside, pay full price for the stocks, crypto, anything else. We need to set up the crypto one, this crypto package too. Because I realize that some people are asking about if I trade crypto on its own. Yes, I do. Yes, and the strategy works with crypto if you just want crypto on its own. Yeah. So the strategy that you, I don't know if you did have the strategy, Kerry. The strategy comes with stocks as well. So when you buy it, it tells you when to buy Apple, when to sell Apple in the alerts. So when you get the alerts now when you come on Apple, by your phone or by your desktop, all you have to do, you're doing the same thing what you do with the futures. You wait until everything line up green, you understand? And then you get in for the buy on the stockbroker, not on MT5 and not on futures. On the stockbroker, I drop the link in the bio. I drop the link in the bio. I drop the link in the Telegram group. So click on it and register. You can put in 500. You can start off with 500. If you want a day trade, I believe you have to request the options trading part of it. Yes, if you want to do day trade. So while you make money around here, so you can make money around here so as well by entering a stock. You understand? So like my own now, I have thinkers so I do for long term. I do option tradings on Weibo. Alright, I'm going on my phone full of app and I'll be a financial app runner so me there. Alright, so see it here. Right, so Weibo right here. I open it. So, right, watch this. Run, yes, I keep and rate it. Right, so like right now, me in a Google, me have on 5 contracts on Google. Yes, me have 5 contracts on Google right now. Me have Aperonia as well. And me have the Avalon of the one we did talk about on Nasdaq just now. In here, Apolovon Corp. My technology app me there. Yeah, son. So you come on and so you can just press buy. Yeah, son. Paper trade. It asks how much contract you want, how much quantity, which is contract. So if you want 1, if you want 2, you want 3, whatever amount of money where you have in for match it, then you can just press buy and that's it. Okay, yes. Like how you're in the group already. All you have to do is just pay the difference. That's it. So you put on the contract now. I've got to do one video and drop it in the group phone now. I'll show you how to do the trades them. So once you place the trade, you will see it like that. For those persons who want no stocks, you're not gonna see it over here, so because you're not interested in nothing. Nonsense. Right. Me drop it in the group, guys, phone now. I show you how to do the options trading. So by the end of the day, if you want to close out, you can close out. If not now, if you want to leave it long term, you leave it long term and I do that. But yeah. So around here, so you can do Nasdaq, you can do US 30. You understand? You can do any pair, any pair, any pair. Just yeah. All right, so maybe if you add spy on this too, let me see. Spy. I spy with my little eyes. See dear. Right, so we'll get a look at pullback here, so guys. SPY. Why is it like this? What the price now? I like this, yeah. I like that at all. So SPY there 700. Lower commission, blah blah blah. Market order. I don't know how many I see SPY on this. Anyway, we circle that later on. Alright, so we have a little bit of pullback up here, so. Alright. Let me see what I'm going on in a John shop, yes or no. Alright, so yes. So what we can do, guys, is I can do an introductory to stocks for everybody that's on the inside. Can do a private Zoom class with that, guys. Tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. We can do it tomorrow, guys. But so for those persons who are interested in stocks, then I can do it tomorrow. I can do introduction to stocks. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Thank you. Tweet, 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 tweet. All right. And they have a lot of benefits as well, you know, guys. When you do a deposit, so for those, you earn 5 free US fractional shares. Yes, I get 5 shares into, you understand, different company. They always have some good deal on this. Yeah, man, they also have, they always have some good deals over here. So you get shares over here. So sometimes they have some different things over this. One of them, we don't want to pay for nothing here, so from this. Nonsense. You tell us I want to pay for nothing. Rubbish. Rubbish, 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 rubbish. Rubbish, 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 rubbish. Alright, so let's see. Market order. Alright. Alright, guys, it's supposed to be in a little tubes of profits. Little tubes of profits, little tubes of profits. Alright. SQQQ is a really good one as well. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Guys, in them at the age of put money to good use. I tell you. You have to put your money to good use, guys. And also, there are plenty people in America make money off of stocks. Plenty. I just, you understand, them not really, that means a lot of people where do trading, they don't want to tell nobody. Because they know people steal. And everybody have thick skin, me dear. You understand? None of them have thin skin. So now, and then again, if people go lose their money, then start to blame the people them. But it's true because me can't bother, and my mouth not too nice. Me say, I know me make you blow the account, and you blow it. You understand? Right? Everybody's still in, guys. Everybody is still in. We are going to hold it. Right. And you know what the pay so when I like pay on the money, for no time soon done over here so. On TikTok, yeah. You can't see it so. You don't want to pay on the money. That's why you see, you know, say earn your leisure. With the me there say charge chicken change. As some know say someone who don't like spend money for true. But who know cost spend money pan Prada, pan Gucci, pan this, pan that. And don't have no farmer assets put on. No farmer little wealth sets put on one side. Just in case a rainy day and the people fire on the job them. You understand? You see that? You saw spirit gone? A son of place in America got shut down one by one. Yeah, man. The only thing can save no right now are healthcare. Is our spirit just come and just boop, everybody job gone? You understand? All them people they will take out car and mortgage and this and that, them get figure road. You understand? And not even America alone, anywhere. Trading there from long before me even conceive. Wall Street about. So for someone over there and here when I like spend money, you understand? Here walk a go on. If only if you go per one of the American the websites, like right now, if you go per Earn Your Leisure website and click on each of them individually, each of them have them own class or them own group. You see the one when name Ian? I want to not do it today, yeah. I just go up on Instagram and type it Ian, and we see him around there. So morning, Ian charge 10,000 US dollar yearly. We never say monthly or one time, 10,000 US dollars in charge for people coming on the stocks and futures. So me I copy price on this, uno don't ball. Uno do not ball to me. Cause somehow not take a piece around us now. Yeah, man. 10,000 US dollars in charge. And him not have no strategy. And naked charting in use. Naked charting. That's how I follow one girl on Instagram. A 500 US she charge for the futures. 500 US dollars. Someone will come, $150 is too much. I not get strategy with mine. I not get none over there besides just signal. But all she do, as she have a streaming room set up with man over this over this up a four wall. And she do it live like how me I do it. So me I charge monkey money, but that's so black people. Somehow no black people say, only like support each other. Yeah, man. We don't like support each other. But we support the black American and we support the white people them. And if me did do it for $50. No, keep my go live. Sooner or later, I soon stop come live on this. And I have to go fuck out to the rotted money and pay for coming in. Cause I don't like spend money. You have to spend money to get money. Yes, and just like how me spend money for go learn how to mark up my chart them and spend money to get my strategy. You have to go spend money. Oh, that's too much. Oh, that's so expensive. I know out the road I buy down the whole place. And I shoot out the money on TikTok. And I can't afford $150. And I spend money for get money around yourself. You understand? You get access to a platform. You get access to me. When me hear people come to me and say, oh, so oh, you're a trader and you can make much thousands in one day, but you still a charge. No, so I'm supposed to sit down yourself for free. Oh, now my mother and my sister. Oh, no, we are family. So I'm supposed to sit down yourself for 1 hour, 2 hours. See there what time now? 4 o'clock at England. But I've been on here since the session start from 2:30. 2:30, 3:30, 4 o'clock, almost 4:30. So me not fi charge for my time. Oh, me a add the button. Yeah, man, me a add the button. So me no fi charge at that with some of Jamaicans though. Uno feel like say, yes, and people fi just come by here and just get into this, get into that, get in this. You know much free session me call up here, so free trades. Sure, me can't bother with you know. I don't like spend money. When I hear about spend the money, when I spend money per man and I spend money per woman, but you know I spend money per yourself. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. We spend money per ass at a nonsense. You go a party, you buy champagne, you buy this, you buy that, and you can't find 150. Wait till me put up a price. Yeah, man, wait and nobody come back on no price for me. The people them where they're in already, that the price are locked into them. When we put up the price run so because una go say me wicked. Yeah, man, uno I go say me wicked. I mean, I make you know me I put up back the price now because at $200 each of them the day. Between the futures and the stocks, right? They were both at 200 and me drop it down. Yes, and since the Vix company platform, I me drop it down. I gonna put the whole of them back up to 200. Then una can say me wicked. Oh, but when it cheap, we never want get it. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. So the persons that will come in already on the inside, that price is locked into them. You understand? The person that went up on the outside, when I could get up one day and go to the link in my bio and the price raise. Yesterday's price is not today's price. You understand? If you notice when stores they're on sale, they're on 5% sale and 6% sale and 7% sale. You think they might tell you when they might change the price? When I get up one man and go at the link in my bio and there's no more 150. It got to 200 or it got to 3 or even gone to 5 or gone to even 1,000. Because we know one in the pay on the money and come in between VIX, stocks, futures, and forex, so now make it back within no time. So me don't worry about changing the price or wherever I want to change it to. Yeah, son? Nice. Mm-hmm. How much is the price now? 150. But if you're in on the inside already, it's half price. Like if, for example, if it did just come in on the VIX alone for 63 US, right? If you want the strategy, I just want extra 100 on top. Yes, one extra 100. The VIX of a 163 because it's more, you understand, volatile on the outside. For the stocks and the futures and the crypto is 150 and the forex is 150 flat. Yeah. But people were there in on the inside already, then you guys, I don't know if you just spare the difference, forget the strategy. Yeah, but for people on the outside now, me I talk to the people on the outside, not the inside. Oi. Yeah, not the people them on the inside. The people them on the inside phone the price locked in already. But the people them on the outside now, you understand? When the price of rice ready for change, you understand the change on the outside for them. All right, guys. Did anybody secure profit just now? Anybody secure profit? Market starts slow down now already now, guys. People them gone for either break or lunch. At lunch I'm already at let me say what time. What time in New York? Oh, 11 o'clock. Yes, that's soon lunchtime, guys. Anytime I see the market slow down, you know it's soon lunchtime for them. So nobody now come in with no what volume, yeah, so. Yeah, man, them not take it serious from the outside. Okay, you're on and off. No, man, the people them on the inside safe. Me always tell people this, you know. You see, once you in a me group and you decide to leave, or you decide to leave. You understand? And me pushing you out. Once you leave, the price is no longer the same price where you left and come in. You understand? No, I know, so business run. No, and nobody thinks you're party shop me around here. So if you not left and I look for come back, you're not getting the same price where you did pay before. Yeah, son, because I know people do it. Oh, me go over here, so go try it over here, so. Oh, me go over there, so go try it over there, so. And when you look, you don't want to come back, you have to pay the full price to come back in, you know. Because if you need to come, go and catch it on sale, you not catch it on, and the in already, and you left, and I look for come back. No, I know, so this a work. Yeah, so I not run no party shop around here, so. Now no partner plan, no. You understand? If you decide to leave, then just know that if you do come back, you might see the same price or you might not see the same price. That's how business run. You understand? You can't go, a mother's today could buy one patty for $60 and go tomorrow and you understand and go over juicy beef. And things say cheap over there, so and I look for come back over there, so over mothers and things you're gonna get it for 60. It might raise to 75. Where you could ball on the price like African? That's how business work. You understand? So when you do decide to stay, you stay and the price locked into you. Even if the price change, it does not affect you because you're in already. But once you decide to leave now, and once me decide say, okay, me I could either up the price, and whoever is in that the price or them coming in at that price, stick to them like a glue. The only time that price change on them is if them decide to leave my group and I look for come back in. Remember now, guys, let me tell you something with me now. I'm quality people, quality. Me don't want no big group, because when you have big group, you can't manage it. The people that when you see have big group, nobody cares about them. Whether you do Vix, forex, stocks, crypto, futures. You will have one big group. You will then one big group. Nobody not fought par you. You see that coming market register data. I'm gonna say, all right, then guys, how much you know need for passing account by today? How much you need for this? Nobody do that. You see, at time me have. Yes, and I want everybody for pass them account so they can then the life challenge. Time. You think so nobody else do what me I do? If you find them, you come tell me. And a long time me say like this. See, Elijah in a chat him can tell you I want next lady named Pauline. They with me from day one. From day one, them can tell you. So when me ready for stay up, you understand I help people make money. It's not all about me. Yes, everybody knows so we can trade and we can this and we can, you understand, and we can make money. Everybody know that. But nobody want to see that. People want to see people result. Who in your group are make money? You understand? Who is making money? Because everybody can say, she can't trade. So, yes, and she can kill this and she can kill that. Oh, watch out, she just start trade futures and she start get payout in the foreign month. And some people that do futures and what people Philip, I know they no make, I know they no withdraw no money. Me can't tell you this. Same thing with Vix. People that do Vix are long before me. I never withdraw how much money when me withdraw out of Vix. Me can't tell you. Work ethic. I have a mentor. If you look up on my YouTube, there's a video of my mentor saying, you know how much people jealous of my work ethic? Ask Jesus. And if I do that video there, it's stuck on my YouTube page. I don't delete it. And I want that people were upset with him because he said that. And it's true. Friends upset, family upset, this upset. You say, you know how much people bad mind, you not say bad mind, but he said jealous. You know how American talk. You say you know much persons out there jealous of your work ethic? You not say no other trader out there do what me do. 3 sessions a day for futures and forex. 2 sessions for Vix. I know the Vix entwined with the same futures. Yeah, son? Me stop the one-to-one and come go and get the strategy and learn how to use it. Yeah, son? Plus, me not have much life outside of trading still. Yeah, son? Me not have no pitney on my foot. Yeah, son? Differently from that, I travel, me just work, travel, work, travel, work, travel. Me don't have no boss over my head for tell me when to go on my bed, when to wake up, when to go back holiday and them something there. So that's what me I try to do with the people that went in my group where I work. Yeah, son? A few, remember say a lot of persons couldn't trade futures, So me say, all right then, what we can do, yeah, son, for help the people that were overseas. Me say, all right then, me a pass on TikTok and me say my friend, yeah, son, I trade futures. And me say, at the time when I was my trade, I didn't think say a forex. I said, what are you doing? Cause me fasting, me fast. Me a pass and I say, what are you doing? He say, I do futures. I say, futures? Eh? I said, what you're not saying to me? So just last year. I said, okay, I want to do futures. Cause so me say now, so when me find a new unlock in a trading, yeah man, I me that for it. You know, take me no time. For me say, all right then, me soon circle you in the new year. As first of the month coming, boop. Me say, all right then, how the futures go? All right, then tell me about this account, then tell me about that account, then tell me about this one, then tell me about that one. Then just start pick, choose, or refuse. Me say, all right then, guys, for the ones who live overseas, we got a good plan for you. Yeah, understand? Because I know say a lot of people overseas can do Vix. So me say, all right then, boom, the futures will work for people overseas. I said, all right then. We go come in. Yeah, so I take the whole of January, pass account, blue account, pass account, blue account, until I finally pass one. I'm still there with that live account from January up until now. I know me no blow that account there. Over Alpha Futures. Every month, me make sure me withdraw. Sometimes me withdraw from it twice a month. Every month, me withdraw something from it. Just to, you understand? But them sister me I keep it going, keep it going. Because I no withdraw no whole money one time. And someone who come in, want to follow instruction, want to know when to stop, want to follow instruction overall. And to no blow on the account, in no feelings and left. That have nothing to do with me. If you just come and pass the account in that January, I'm still on it right now. I'm showing you some say, guys, withdraw time. Money did it for make. And I mean, I've never traded futures before this. At January, me start. Never start get pure out of the account until February. February, March, April, we in a May now. So you see, if you not be consistent with something, it will work. Someone will come in, you understand, you're not consistent, you not blow 1, 2, 3, 10 accounts. So you know, learn from the first and the second one and the third one. You know, keep blowing account like you don't want money. You don't want to make money more than how people want to make money at Jamaica and Africa. Take on a time. The money now run gone away in the market now run gone away. One cocoa full basket. If you depend on a 50K account, right now it not even matter what account size you depend. All you have to do is follow instruction. All right, Kim say if this go down to $500 on the new account, close out. So you split up the $4,000, The $2,000 in a 4. If you lose 5 years so, you're closed for the day. Then you wait until you come on to the next session. If something set up and you end up making the market a push up in your favor, boom. You understand? You make back the 5, put it back, levy it back out to the 2, and then boom, you start build back on it. If it's a case where you have to lose and build back, lose and build back, lose and build back the 500, so you could do it. But no, you don't make it swingle. Gone to $1,000, then it cap you out for the day. So you can trade no time again until Asian session. Follow instructions. Follow instructions when I say there. That's why someone that call forever their work. And that's just the truth. You go forever at work for your man. We are telling us when for go for holiday, when for shit, when for peace, and when for farts. I mean, you know, follow instruction now. Right now, me there the people in job. You don't see me pay. You wouldn't even see me. I do no farmer trading. Because me, I cause me no time for it. And just like everybody else, they want the trading, but they say they don't have no time. But you have time to scroll up on TikTok and fasten up people business and comment on a comment section and dip and mix up and dip on phone and chat foolishness with people when I help your progress gone away. Me not have time for friend. Me not have no friend. My mother is my friend. If I want to talk to her, I take up the phone and talk to her, and that's just the truth. Me not keep no friend. The last friend when me did have, yes, and she vexed with me because me need a baby or pitney. She tell me for watch the data, go up a holiday. The data, did they use up the things in the kitchen? I say, me not washing it. Big old 14, 15-year-old picking. Oh, me say me not wash them plate, yeah. So she vexed with me for petty stuff. So for that, me said, you're the last somebody me I talk to. Me don't want no friend for nobody. Yeah, some of them, you're my friend, and you understand them are your enemy, your friend. So what's the sense? Yeah, some of them know, then they might chat you, yeah, them up on the phone today, you understand, and then go behind for your back or tell for them friend where you don't know, and then when you look, you come back a road. I say, no, darling, we don't have time for them or something. You understand? Me have a friend, I tell her, say, company sessions and come make some money. 2 jobs she have. The second job what she have, she could have replaced that with the trading and come do the futures or come do the Vix. She did do the Vix and she stopped. So, me drop everybody. Me alone and Jesus. Yes, son, my phone no ring regular. Unless me I talk to one spooky and he ring my phone now and then. Yes, son. And if the man not trade, me no want him either. Because nobody now go tell me no nonsense on my ears wall. Yeah, if him not trading, me no want him. I saw it go. I saw it go down now Emmanuel Road. But the hill and gully with him. Right. Because let me tell you something. Is who you associate yourself with make you be the outcome of what you want to do with trading. If you're there one people with always negative, you're not gonna make no money over yourself. Because they might come go to them say, oh, that not gonna work for you, and this not gonna work for you, and red not gonna work for you, and that not gonna work for you. Yeah, son. When we start trading, we never tell nobody. You know when people start things? When we start make money. And it was no great deal of money. $50. Me flip it on the market. 50. And me put it up on my Instagram. At that time, I did big over Instagram, 165,000 followers. Because everybody and their mother didn't know me. Because I told me, yeah, some of them promote Dream Weekends. I succumb. They used to tag me in things and people used to follow me back. And I succumb. Yeah, son? Me blow up over there with the trading. $50 me make. Me turn $50 into one next 50. And for that, people in my inbox like a sunfly. Kim, how you do that? I remember saying in COVID. Kim, how you do this? Kim, how you do that? Kim put me on. Kim Ray. Kim Tay. By the time you look, one whole heap of people, we couldn't even manage them. Because I never join the company if you do no recruitation business. I never run Bob the Builder. Construction. Yeah, son. So me say here what go on. Me don't know about this recruiting something, you know. Yeah, son, me come to learn how to make some extra money. Yeah, son, is either that time I go back at the people them job. And me say, all right, here what go on. Yeah, son. Me not sign up to this something yet, you can go on with the free trial. Yeah, son, I see how you find it for something you can do. And I so come. Some people join, some people never join. You understand? You have somebody take it serious and someone take it serious. You have some people do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Some of them make the money and gone. You understand? Bear in mind now, guys, this goes for everybody. Once you're in, and let's say you don't get to the first payout, whether you do Vix or futures, or you make one nice piece of payout. You don't have to stay now, guys. You don't have no sign no contract around here, so you're free to go whenever you want and come back whenever you want. You understand? No contract run here, so you understand? We have to start talk like junior. You know, see no yellow tape here, so no, you can once you make one nice piece of chain and you feel like you want to go, you can go whenever you want. So let's say you understand Elijah make 12,000 out of VIX already from December up until January or up until current date. And if you feel like you want to go, you could have go. Cause which normal somebody you see I make 12,000 US dollars out of VIX from December last year. December, January, February, March, April, May. Right? 12,000 US. Right? Hold on a second. You know me always a draft for the currency around here, so cause me work with the currency. Right? So 12,000 US, we are going to convert it to Jamaican for no. Wait there. So 12,000 US dollars out of VIX are 1.8 million Jamaican that. Right? The legend come from Jamaica, which is I say it no. Right? 12,000 US to Jamaican 1.8 million. Right? We could put in a British pound. 12,000 US is equal to 8,800 pounds. You could go. But he's still here and he's been here for the last much years, for the whole 5.5 years since we meet him over I Am Academy. So you have some people are liars, you just don't have, you have someone no liar, none at all. Yeah, son. And him say, anywhere you go, I'm coming. I'm coming, oh. Yeah, son. Anywhere you go, me I come there. Cause you help put food in my pockets. You understand? I saw it go. You call some people a liar, you call someone a liar. That's trading. You understand? You have some people live as family and think say, who then have nobody else to go trade with. Over yesterday them day. You understand? That's how trading work. But how you use the money and do when you start make it. You understand? Some people squander it, some people use it to foolishness, some people reinvest it, some people. You understand? Right, guys, everybody out of the trade. Some people use it and do all sort of nonsense. Right. Where I get the market slow down right now. I have to wait until this push back up for close out this second minute close it out in the red me there. Alright, I saw I got in the John shop. So the market slow down, guys, because remember say I lunchtime over there for them. So yep. Soon 12 o'clock. When anytime I see the market start slow down, just know say after them lunchtime soon come up. Yes, and everybody stop trade volume gone down. Yes, and we revisit back later on. So if you did close out something, say alert I get on top of my bloody nerves now. And I think I fix it last night. Jesus Christ. Right. So whatever you did close out just now in red, yes, and we make it back up later on, guys. Or if it does push back up, if you're still in. Yes, and so you take them wiggle body back up yourself. So keep an eye out in the Telegram group, guys. Because if we do get back the break and close above, then I will recall it back out. But yeah, guys, money run yourself to make. It just depends on who wants to make it. Yeah, son, money there for make. So I got not going for Vix, guys. Not a thing that I'm gonna run inside a John shop. Where? Not beer consideration. Nothing. Well, 10 I set up, yeah, so 25 one is not ready. Sorry. Not no set up. So can you imagine if me need to do something else on the side? No, remember when I started Vix 2024, I see with the forex market is slow down. Now that me I do futures, the Vix market slow down. Now me I do something new. I realize say something is a look a pattern, you know. You look at the market and say, she's abandoned us for something else, you know. Yeah, Vic start talking a British accent. You know, she's abandoned us for something, you know. Yeah, we don't know what to do, you know. I think that's what happened. Anytime I start do something new, the market, you understand, kind of slow down a little bit. I cannot bother. Right, register time now, guys. Register time. Register time. Right. So Nisi, now I need 2,247 to pass by 50K. All right, so niece, I don't need to see a Ren. Jesus Christ, go look, yeah. Right, nice, nice. Yeah, make some progress, Ren. All right, Ren, later on. So yesterday was at 3,720. Now you need 2,000. I see it there. So 2,247. And you didn't need 7,988 on the 100K account. Now you need 6,334. Right, everybody else, guys, how much more you need to pass your account if you're still on the evaluation? If you did pass your account, let me know so I can put you over the live side. All right, nice, nice, nice. Let's see what I got on there. John Shop, yes or no? I see Princess for morning. Novia need 2,219. But Novia, you're going good, man. Nice, nice, nice. Because yesterday you didn't need 4,600. That's brilliant. Hallelujah. Praise Jesus. Right. Who else, guys? Who else? Nisi. Okay, you buy a new account. All right. New account. Let me put new account right here. Right. You see, accountable. You guys don't have accountable on TikTok. When the phone accountable, Rosalie, mix up. Foolishness are going with a road there. Yeah, man. All right, guys. Who else? New account. All right. Who else, guys? Who else? Chop, chop, guys. Chop, chop, everybody. Chop, chop. How much more I need for passing an account? How much more? Right. This is a pullback. So when we're ready there, so yet. All right. How much I need for passing an account? If you did pass it, let me know. So we can put you over the live side. Look like everybody run got money business. What Jesus Christ? Are some people still there work? I've got to drop it in the group. Wait, I'm going to drop it in the group now. So this is how I keep everybody in check. You understand? So we know what's going on. All right. So I've made 1,400 USD, which took me out of their money. So now I need. All right. So was that from the 13K? Oh, so you're on the 150K account, Elijah? Are you on the advanced 150K? But that not bad. Nice, nice, nice. So look at that. So yesterday you didn't need 13,000 and now you need 11,500. Look at that. Nice, 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 nice. Right. Anybody else, guys? Anybody else? How much money you now have left for personal evaluation account? And if you did pass the account, let me know. All right. That only today we made it. Oh, you met the remaining of the money today from your command from London session to today. That no bad. That no bad at all. That no bad at all. Right. Anybody else, guys? Anybody else? Right, I'm gonna drop back this in the group. So far we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 live accounts. that's passed. 7 live accounts that's passed in the last month. Well, yeah, I would say a month and a half. That not three bad. Right? So I did say we are give everybody up until, let me see where we are now. Today the 7th. So for everybody else, may I give everybody 1 week from now. So from today to the 14th. You understand? For pass the rest of the account them. Then we start the live challenge. You understand? Because by then everybody should pass them account. They upon them live account. You understand? Then we're going to do the futures live challenge. You understand? We'll discuss that more about that later on when we're not on the media. Because you have so many people that they love to thief people ideas. You understand? Right. So we're going to do the live futures challenge over there. So you understand? And then we are going to work on the withdrawal. We are going to have a look. We have a look strategy. You understand? Either on one do weekly withdrawal, 3 week withdrawal, or every month withdrawal. You understand? Nice. So far, Kerry, are you still here? How much you did on your live account, Kerry? The last time we checked, you were up 65,000. How much you reach by? How much you reach now? So once you reach 100K, you could be my first 6-figure trader. Yeah, so I could have a nice little surprise for you. A nice little present. All right, nice. So how much you up by now? Forgot say on that account you can't really make too much for the day now because remember say it still work by consistency rule. So you can't make too much on that account for the day. So what you can do now, like when you're under the live 100K account now, you can make as much as you want over there. So all right. Carrie, you still here? Carrie, they are working. I carry their work. So but I tell you about the work business a problem. Oh God. Okay, madam. Right. So, oh yes, Miss I drop in a group. I ask everybody how far them they in them account. There. Right. So if I did drop it in here, guys, then you don't need to drop it back in the group. Look like everybody else busy, so I'm gonna jump off, guys. I will see everybody on for Asian session. If you're still in the trade, well, everybody should have been out because they pull back down a little bit. But once I set up back, I'll let you guys know in the group. So, let me see something. So Ren, you have 2,000 something. So if this setup back and you can enter back the trade here, you can pass the account there today. So between Ren and Novia, that's 2 pass. You can pass them account at them 2 account there today. Yeah. You can pass them 2 account there today once it's set up back. All right. Later on, guys, I'll let you guys know in the chat when to re-enter back. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right. Or the rest of your morning for some of you guys. I'll still be on TikTok for a little bit. Yeah, but for those who are on my YouTube, see you guys later on. Well, not really for Asia session, because yes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for London session in the morning, YouTube. Okay, toodles. All right, guys. Later. Keep an eye out in the chat, guys. So once the setup back, I'll let you guys know when to re-enter back the trade. All right, if we get a setup. Right now, there's no volume, so yes, I know we go wait until the proper setup. For those who are on Vix, keep an eye out. There's nothing going on right now. Market dead out. You understand? So once I get anything set up, then I will drop it in the Vix group as well. Okay? Okay. Bye. See you later.